What a little.
Baby, how were you carrying her yesterday? Come here. Come grab her. Here, take her. How did you have her? How did you have her? No, didn't you have her by both the legs?
Yeah.
This hand was on this hand?
Yeah, that's really not gonna work. I think she wants to bounce.
Try it, try it.
Ooh, poopies.
Really?
Poopies.
Or farty?
It sounded forceful.
Oh.
It felt forceful.
Yep, time she wants to bounce.
Pablo, look. Oh my god, he put her to sleep like that yesterday.